Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show how to use augmented reality in any Android phone. Before getting into the video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, download Augment app from the Play Store. In order to track an object, you will need a universal tracker which will be available in the description below, or you can able to download it using the app. Once the app is installed, open the app. Also, you have to get a photocopy of the universal tracker in order to track the objects. After finishing this process, click on the scan button to track the objects. Now scan the tracker and select the object which you want to project. Now you can able to see the object. If the object was not in the correct position, try to adjust it. There are many objects and things are available inside this app. I have some samples for you.
Here we go. Invincible.
To get a realistic view, download the app and have a try. That's all for this video guys. If you like this video, click on the like button, share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.